I've been doing a lot of brushing out lately, and it's time for some maintenance. This isn't a tutorial. I'm just going to show you what I do. Maybe there's something in it for you. Essentially looking for a flat point to start again from and sharpen it down, and then I'll finish with the flat to get burrs. I will mention that this is brush cutting, folks. Like I get that there's, you know, weight issues potentially. I understand. From my perspective, I need to get things done. I'm a field operator. We live out in the middle of nowhere. For me to send these into the shop and get them professionally sharpened can take a lot of time out of my calendar. It's money, it's expenses, it's fuel. So I need to get this up and running for the job tomorrow. Eventually I'll get to a point where I'll get another set of blades, so I can rotate back and forth. But nonetheless, you get the point here. To keep kind of the glove off. It's not too hot yet. And we're getting, doesn't have to be razor blade, but yeah, get that a little thinner. She's pretty good. Yeah, I don't want to... We'll see how the rest look. I'm pretty happy with that at this point. I don't want to get it too fine because then it's just going to chip easier, right? No one really taught me how to do this stuff. I just kind of have to try to figure it out. That's just the way I grew up. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, we'll send that. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.